An amazing machine. Your body is an amazing machine. A machine has many parts that work together to make it run. In much the same way, a human has body systems that work together to keep a person alive. One system is more important than another, all the necessary in order for the body to live. Two body systems that work together are the circulatory system and the respiratory system. The circulatory system moves blood throughout the body. The cell needs a constant supply of fresh blood, and blood has red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. They also bring back carbon dioxide, and waste. White blood cell attacks germs to keep the body healthy. Platelets stop bleeding by forming clots. Without platelets, you could bleed to death from a small cut. The heart is the pump of the circulatory system. Your heart is about the size of your fist. 留意串法喎，唔好串到 first. First 係 first 喎 ，fist 係拳頭。This muscle pumps blood through blood vessels. 血管係 blood vessels. Actually, the heart has two pumps. The heart's left pump gets blood from the lungs, and this blood has oxygen. The heart pumps it to cells all over the body. The heart's right pump gets the blood returning from the cells, and this blood has carbon dioxide in it. The right pump moves this blood to the lungs. There, the carbon dioxide is taken, 被動句，被拎走, out of the blood and oxygen is added. Respiratory system. The respiratory system gives the body oxygen and get rid of 即係唔要嘅 carbon dioxide. When you inhale, 吸入嘅時候, your lung gets bigger and oxygen rushes into them. When you exhale, 呼出嘅時候, your chest gets smaller, pushing carbon dioxide out. And air enters through the nose or mouth. Inside your nose are millions of tiny hairs. Nose. And these hairs trap dust and dirt. 點解有鼻毛咧？就係 trap 住嗰啲污糟嘢。So that mostly clean air goes down the trachea or windpipe to the lungs, and right above the lungs, the windpipe splits into two tubes. 分兩條管嘅 U-tube 個 tube. And one tube enters each lung. And inside the lungs, these tubes branch into many smaller tubes. And these smaller tubes have millions of air sacs. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged in these air sacs. And carbon dioxide leaves the blood and goes into the air sacs, and then oxygen moves through the air sacs into the blood. This oxygen-filled blood goes to the lung. The carbon dioxide leaves the lungs with the next exhale. 好明顯今日介紹咗兩個 system 俾你 ，respiratory system 同埋 circulatory system。circulatory system 有三嚿嘢嘅 ，red blood cell 同埋 white blood cell 同埋 platelets 係提供一個 constant supply of fresh blood 俾我哋嘅身體，全身行嘅。另外我哋嘅 respiratory system 就係我哋 inhale 去到 exhale 中間點樣吸入 oxygen， 呼出 carbon dioxide。有唔同嘅 hair 阻隔住啲塵埃，之後進入兩條管道再去細嘅管道，跟住啲 carbon dioxide 同埋 oxygen 不停喺度交換，就係我哋嘅肺嘅運作。夠你哋寫兩段，今日學咗啲乜？咁最後咧，就係呢度圈動詞俾我。今日係咁多，希望你可以認識世界用英文，加油！